Hi there. I am so excited because this box has finally arrived from Reycraft Books. I've been so eager to see and hold Meow, the Truth About Cats. It's time to open it up. Ooh, take a look at this. I just want to cuddle, don't you? Oh! Now I've seen the layout, I've seen the digital layout, but to hold the book feels so different. Oh, I just love how the designer put this together with the bold photographs. And do you see the illustrations by Juanbjuan Oliver? Yes, if I fit, I sit. My whiskers told me this box is the perfect size. So a little bit of humor added with the illustrations. Why are cats scaredy cats? Why do cats puff up their tails? Why do cats hunt? How do cats land on their paws? Are you kidding me? Olympic gymnasts have nothing on these feline feet. What's that smell? Why is my cat acting this way? Oh, I have some experience with that. How do cats communicate? It was through the research of this book that I found out that my black kitty named Soka is actually rather affectionate, just not the way that we anticipated she would be affectionate. How do cats show they care? And then some common cat patterns and kinds of kitties. Fascinating feline facts. And then this was so much fun. I actually found out that my kitty Kiwi is right-handed through this science activity here. And there is my kitty Kiwi and me. But one of the great things about the Truth About series is that all of the covers come off. And then let's see. Take a look. Isn't she beautiful? The covers come off, so there are two covers on Meow, the Truth About Cats, but it also opens up to a poster, Top Cats, and then, are you ready? Meow Cat Sayings, a full-size poster for the cat lover in your life. I also think this would be fabulous on a classroom wall. Curiosity killed the cat. Don't ask too many questions. It could get you into trouble, or you might discover something you don't want to know. So here we have it. Meow, the Truth About Cats, finally in my hand. Yay! And it can be in your hand tomorrow. Release date is November 1st, so get your own copy if you are a cat lover.